I am at the Montjuic Castle. If you see behind me, this is the Montjuic Castle. This is a very historically important place. It's so interesting, you know. If I turn around behind me, you can see the entire city of Barcelona, right? And if I turn around like this, is the castle, which is on top of Montjuic Hill, and behind, I mean, this castle was built, as you can see behind this entire area is the sea. You see, there is the sea on that side. So this was used back in the days. It was built in 18th century, but it has also always been a strategic location, because you know, if enemies are attacking or friends are coming from the sea towards the city, then this is the place, because this is so high, it's on top of a hill, that one can immediately signal, watch it from a very large distance, the coming of the ships. And from that point, from that tower, they can signal to the city about the approach of friends or enemy ships. And that's why this whole castle and this hill is a strategic location that will protect the city, because the city is on the back side of the castle. So this is a really interesting location, and because of the importance of the strategic location of this castle, or of this situation, it has also had a lot of historical significance. We have had, during the Civil War, there were in the beginning of the Civil War, this place was used by the Republicans in order to execute nationalist forces. But when the Civil War was over and the nationalists won the war, for a long time this remained sort of a center to, a prison to hold Republican soldiers, and very important figures uh, of Catalan history have been executed. Luis Companys, the first president, has been executed in this building. But as you can see, it's very interesting that in the memory of all the people who have been executed in this building, we have this flag, this Republic's Catalan, not Republic, Catalan's flag, Catalonia's flag, hoisting here all alone, and it's a very significant thing. And we can see birds flying here. We can see the entire Mediterranean Sea from that side as well, the entire Mediterranean Sea, and yeah, it's a beautiful thing.